Hi, mate. I was just looking into your job post. So here you are looking for some graphical button and specific formatting and capturing the separate sheet and convert into a specific CSV format. Lots of things you are looking for. So if I share my recent experience, like here you can see from my upward profile, I am working for a Excel calendar. So if I share this one, so there here you can see there are lots of Excel sheets. So this is a racing game, and this is Formula Italy, Formula UK, Formula Spanish, and the tennis, and lots of sheet you can see. So the main task is like when user will include that kind of sheets, all data will be compile and it will come into this sheet. So let's say if I remove this one, when I will click this button, all data will come from this sheet and consolidate into in this sheet in a specific format. And I mean it will compile in a date wise. So here another format, like you can see this is for 2024 consolidate events. Like if I want to print it out, like here you can see this sheet is very long. So to print out, we need to convert this consolidate data into a like in a month wise. So this sheet again, it is created by Excel BVA coding. Let's say if I remove all the format, and if I remove all the this color, when I will click this button, you will see data will come here. The cell formatting will be colored and it will be arranged in a very specific format. See, all data came here from these many Excel sheet. I think there are more than 12 Excel sheet. So all the data is coming from this Excel sheet and consolidate into a very specific format as user can print it out. So this is the number one. And if I go my second project, so that one is like the scheduling file. I am working for a US company, Apollo Home Service. So here you can see very colorful button, and all the colorful button is in Excel ribbon. So after home tab, you can see this is for Apollo. So and also I have many more Excel custom ribbon. Here you can see, and this is for a very big company. I created for them like this way. So the Apollo, here you can see, like if you want to add any task, like when I click this one, user can update all those things. And also there is a very nice cool date picker. So like that way you can input all the tasks here. And if I show you the last one, that one is very complex. This is a school management system. So if I show you, like here you can see a very great feature, Excel ribbon. This is a total solution of school management. Here you can see when you want to add any student, you can input all the data. Then when you will click this enroll button, it will take you data. Here you can edit, you can inactivate a student, and you can but you can send the invoice, all those things from Excel to WhatsApp. You can make payment. So and there is actually lots of things you can see. There is a sheet navigation. So I mean, what you are looking for in your job post, the formatting, button, printing out, invoice, mailing, all the solution already I work previously. And this is actually running. And also if you see my the previous completed job, there is lots of work I did. I mean for many clients. So I am very capable for your job, because this is Excel related. My all the post is Excel related, and my job success score is 100%. So I'm fully confident to grab your job, to submit your job successfully. Please share your comfortable time. We can arrange a Zoom meeting, and then we can discuss a little bit more about your project. Thank you so much. See you in meeting. Have a good day. Take care.